Okay. Uh, so in this session of MS-ACSE, we will create three separate tables. One is patient, another is test types, another is test result. We want to join those tables as per the primary key and foreign key relationship, and also we have to find out few queries in between two dates. What are the tests completed, what are the tests, and what are the result is displayed for each and every patient we can display. Also we can prepare the form of the patient, test type and test result, and we can prepare identity of the patient, identification test, name of the test. Grouping should be based on name of the test, right? Now how can I create this? We have to go to MS-ACSE. Here we have to create the database. So here is the patient table. We have already created patient table. So how to create that table? I am giving one example how to create the table. Go to create and table. We have to change the view. First design view, then suppose we are creating patient 2. In patient 2 we have the field like identity of the patient as a primary key. So identity of the patient, so identity, so that will be in numbers. Name of the patient, name will be the text, name will be the text. Then we have to text, this is first name, this is last name, that will be also text, and that middle name and last name. So here we are taking middle name and last one is last name. This is also text. Now date of birth, date of birth. The data type should be date and time. Now we have to change the view from design to data sheet. Now I have to enter the details of few patient like identity D1 100, patient name is Rahul Kumar Das, date of birth is 1/10/1965, patient 200 Ajay Kumar Bharma, 2/5/72. So similar like that we can fill the data. So I am not making the video lengthy. Already we have created the table similar like that format. That is the identity of the patient, first name, last name, middle name, last name, date of birth. Then the next table is test type, test type, test types. In the test type we have identity, the identity should be same. Here identity 10, 13, 14, 15. Here also 10, 13, 14 and 15. So because we can join, so 10, so as per the patient name we have to choose 10, 13, 14, 15, 10, 13, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now we can add few more patient details. 16 Suraj Kumar Rao, okay, all the patient details are saved. Now I am going to the next table, test result. So identity of the test, so here one field should be added, here one field should be added, identity of the test. So now I have to change test types, identity of the test, similar. Next I am going to identity of the patient and identity of the test. So identity of the patient, now I have to go to design, again I am creating one row, identity of test. So now I am changing the value, identity of the test, ten, 13, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Identity of the patient should be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now I want to change test result is my another table. Here identity of the patient should be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Blood test rupees 500 and test result, test date 3/5/2020, 23 diabetic. Okay, now each and every details are completed. Now what we have to do, go to the first part, create database, enter 4 record for each table with the referral integrity, specify the laboratory charge less than 500. Now we have to join all the details as per the matching part. So which one is the matching part? For the patient table we having patient ID, test ID, test table, test ID, result table, test ID. So all the field having the test ID. So test ID will be the foreign key, right? So now I have to build up the relationship between the primary key and the foreign key. Go to external, go to database tool, then relationship, take patient, test result, test type, add. Now we have to take all the common field together, So here identity of the patient or test ID, we have the relation. Here also we having relation with test ID, identity of the text, create the relation, already having the relation. See the relationship status. We having test ID with the relation of the identity of the text, identity of the text having the relation with the identity of the text. This is the foreign key, the common field. Now we have to join all the details. How to join? Create query design, take all 3 tables. Now all the field from the patient table, patient dot star, all the field from the test table, test dot star, all the field from the test result table, test result dot star. Now we have to create make table all matched data, underscore joining. Okay, now run. All the data are joined as per the details. See, all the data is being joined. Clear all of you? Now what we have to find out? We have to find out and query January 2011 to 31st January 2011, 1st January to 31st January. So how many tests done in 2011, right? So how to do this? Create query design. So we have patient table, test result, test type. So go to test result table. So we have to find out 2021, not 2023. All the date between 2023. Go to create query design, test result, date of test, identity of the patient, identity of the test, date of test, result. Now we have to write criteria. So in criteria we have to between, there we have to give the option between. So like has date in which format, say the date in which format, dot 23 as a अच्छा, the date in which format, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we have to write like has dot has dot 23. Now create query design, run. No data found. Why? We have to match with the same format. See, this is 2903, right? 03, 2205, okay, 06, no, no. So format is different here. So check the between, date is 23, right? January 23 to December 23. Okay, now it is filtered, right? If we want to create the query, the date should be in the similar format. If we do this using that query, there should be some problem. So we have to go to the query option, query, go to design view, like has 23, run. Because the format are different, that is why it is not taking. So to take this, we have to go to the simple view of that table and change is in right click between, here the date, here the date option, in between. Okay, clear? Now already we have done all the query part. Next we have report part and the form part. Report, how to calculate report? Just, so I want to create the report. So which report we have to build? Form, patient, test type and test result, all. So all we having the table. Just click on create. We need for report or form, we need form, we need forms. So just create and form, everything will be on that table, right? This is the form. I am just saving form, data underscore form. Now what we need? We need second part, report patient first name test all, that means it also the report of all. So we have to find out the report of all. Again click on that, create, click on report. So report will be done, control S, this is also report. Clear? That's all. I hope all of you enjoyed that video. Please give a like, share and subscribe. Thank you.